Hi everyone! Today we are going to make our own lava lamp. You're going to need a cup. A glass cup is going to work best. It can be any shape you want, but I'm going to use mine from the Elizabethan dinner that I got when I was in choir. You're going to need some vegetable oil, some water, some food coloring. I'm going to use blue because it's my favorite color, but you can use any color you like, and some Alka-Seltzer tablets. To start, you're going to put some of your vegetable oil into your cup. I'd like to try out a few different methods to see what works best. To start with, I am going to fill up my cup about 2/3 of the way full, so about to here. Take my vegetable oil and just pour it in. That looks about good. Just put that to the side. Now you're going to take your water, and you don't need as much water as you have vegetable oil. I'm going to try to stop about here. Just nice and slow. Look at that. The water and the vegetable oil is not mixing, but it is making these neat bubbles. Put in a little bit more water than I meant to, but that's okay. All right. When I first saw this done, the water did not have this many bubbles, so we'll just have to see what happens. Next, you're going to take your food coloring and put it in. It doesn't really matter how many drops you do. I'm going to do about 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And hey, the food coloring is also not mixing in with the vegetable oil. It's staying in little bubbles and just dropping down. I'm going to put our food coloring off to the side. Now we're going to take an Alka-Seltzer tablet. You only need 1. They come in 2, so we can do this multiple times. Going to take your tablet. We're just going to gently place it in. After I put it in, I'm going to hold up something behind the cup so that hopefully it's a little bit easier to see. I'm going to just drop it in. And let's see what happens. It's starting to bubble. The food coloring is mixing in with the water. That's neat. I don't know if you can hear it fizzing, but it's definitely fizzing a lot. Let's see if we can move this closer. All right, the fizzing is definitely starting to slow down. The water stayed in those little bubbles, but the food coloring got mixed in. So that was neat. I didn't think the water was going to stay in those little bubbles. I thought it was all going to mix together. And 7 drops of food coloring might have been too much blue. That is pretty dark, but you know what? That's okay. It just made it easier to see. I'd like to try this a few more times just to see what the different colors do. Let's see if those are. For this last one, I want to try mixing two colors together. I'm going to try blue and yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that was fun. I'm going to go clean up my mess, and I'll see everyone next time. Bye!